I'm now in Hobart CBD. This is the St. David's Cathedral. I just visited St. David's Cathedral here in central Hobart, and now I'm walking down to the battery point. So this is the St. David's Park. I'm going to the battery point. So what do I think about Hobart city? It's very hilly, lots of hills up and down. The good thing about walking around is that you can always find all these hidden places. This is the St. George's Anglican Church. Another downhill slope. Even the walking path is lovely. Okay, I'm here. Even nicer here. Here is the Tasman Bridge. Okay, so Hobart City Centre. Okay, so this is supposed to be the historic battery point. And I was going around and around and I couldn't find this place. Okay. Here, all the way. So after circle, just down the road. So this is the Battery Point Community Centre. Historical walk. I went there just now. Okay, so after circus. Circus. I'm walking around again the historical center of Hobart. Looking at some of the old houses. So that's all for me visiting the historical part of Hobart. See you again. Bye bye.